Streamline your sales and client onboarding by mastering the art of sending contracts with Pandadoc. First, log into your Pandadoc account once you're on the dashboard. Locate and click the prominent Create Document or New Document button. This is your starting point for sending any contract. You have two primary options. Here you can either choose from one of your existing Pandadoc templates, which saves you time and ensures consistency, or you can upload a new contract file, like a PDF or Word document, from your computer for this tutorial. Let's assume we're uploading a new document. Click the Upload button or simply drag and drop your contract file directly into the designated area. Pandadoc will then process your document, preparing it for the next crucial steps. Now, you're in the Pandadoc editor. This is where you'll make your contract ready for signing. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with various content blocks. We need to add essential signing fields. Look for the signature, date, and text fields. Click and drag the signature field from the panel onto the exact spot on your contract where the recipient needs to sign. Repeat this for any other required signatures. Next, drag and drop the date field where the signing date should be recorded. You can also add text fields for names, company details, or any other information you need your client to fill in. Remember to place these accurately. With your fields in place, it's time to tell Pandadoc who needs to sign. Navigate to the Roles or Assignees section, usually found at the top or side of the editor. Click to add a new role or assignee. Enter the email address of the person who needs to sign your contract. You can also assign a role, such as client or signer, which helps keep track of who is responsible for what. Once you've assigned all necessary signers and reviewed your contract fields, find and click the big Send button. This will usually be at the top of your screen. You'll likely be presented with a final review screen here. You can customize the subject line of the email that will be sent to your client and add a personal message. Ensure everything looks good and then hit Send. And that's it. Your contract is now securely sent through Pandadoc, ready for your client to sign. You can track its progress directly within your Pandadoc dashboard, ensuring efficient contract management.